So, what's happening today?
Right, well today we're starting on the oak leaf, this first wine of the season. So we were out early, and picking oak leaves from Meg Inch Wood. Pick them into buckets, into bags, they get brought in here, weighed, and then washed. This is 15 giving them a bit of a wash. A bit clean anyway, that. Okay, put them in that big tank. This is the oak leaves that we washed earlier on, and put them in this tank and pour boiling water over them. Steaming away, so that's what you do. You pour boiling water in it, use this big plunger to give it a good dunk up and down like that. Get all that flavour out. Makes a very nice tea, just to drink it. Maybe hear a taste later on, and we'll leave that till tomorrow.